everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and mind-blowing beaded sari or dupatta border at home. It's simple and easy to make, so follow the steps carefully. For that we need only some golden beads. You can create this work on your favorite sarees, dupatta, stole, dress, kurti, blouse, top, etc. This beaded border will give you a designer look. So before wasting any time, make this DIY at home. If you have any queries, then comment me below. If you really like this video, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe this channel for motivate me to make more interesting videos like this. It really means a lot to me, and now enjoy watching. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this, then subscribe for more interesting videos. Useful and easy. Be creative.